Welcome to a lecture on social rights and the Council of Europe. My name is Henrik Kristensen and I'm a Deputy Executive Secretary to the European Committee of Social Rights. When I talk about social rights and the Council of Europe, I essentially talk about the European Social Charter. The Charter is a legally binding human rights treaty initially adopted in 1961 and revised in 1996. The Charter implements at European level the social rights proclaimed in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And the Council of Europe, in fact, has long defended the idea that human rights are indivisible, that social rights are human rights on an equal footing with the civil and political rights.